Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to create security folder on your Samsung Galaxy A25. So as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then click on this search icon that you can see at the right upper corner. Click on it and here we would need to enter two words, which is security folder. Then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named secure folder. Click on it. Here you will get to this page where you can see again the secure folder. Click on it and here you will see the screen which is saying welcome. Here we click continue. On this page you'll be able to read all the permissions which are needed so the secure folder can work correctly. We click continue and now we would need to wait a while until our secure folder is creating. This process can take up to 5 minutes, so don't be worried, just wait. Next thing that we would need to do, that's to create a lock type. Here we can choose between PIN code, password or pattern. And we can also enable biometrics by clicking on the fingerprints, but I will choose PIN code. I'll click on it and here we would need to create our PIN, which is 4 digits minimum, but 6 digits is recommended for a higher level of security. Then we would need to click continue and enter the same PIN code one more time to confirm. Then we click OK and this is it. Next step, we are getting suggested to turn on reset with Samsung account if you forgot your PIN. I'll click cancel, OK, and next. And this is it. Now we have successfully created our secure folder in which we can put files, we can save websites, contacts, anything that you can see here. You can even add your own applications here that you would like to keep secure. And every time when you exit the secure folder, click on these 3 dots and click lock and exit. After this, if we will try to enter the secure folder, we would need to enter the PIN code to open it. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.